Relocating to Celgene was, without a question, the best thing that I've done.
With this job, I'll be making more of an impact in people's lives, so it gives me a reason to wake up every morning and get to work.
At Celgene, there is really unparalleled commitment to this whole area of cell therapy.
It's a different style, it's a different platform. The cells behave very differently versus anything that you'll deal with in biologics.
It's starting something from the ground up and the ability to transform things and set new processes, and it's really exciting.
You will develop so many different skill sets that you could jump into any role. You could go anywhere.
You can shape the industry for the next 10 to 20 years, and having an opportunity to do that is an amazing spot to be.
The quality group is such an integral part of what we do here.
We're present when we first get the product into our facility, and then we're the last ones who get to touch it before it leaves our facility as well. So it's a huge responsibility.
We're kind of like the last end all to make sure that things are done properly prior to going to the patient itself.
We have some really amazing people here. People from all different backgrounds, all different education, and I learn so much every single day from really everyone I talk to.
People are great. You know, you're not afraid to approach somebody. I like when they come back to me with questions and they say, "Oh, I think you could be able to help me out with this."
Everyone here is so committed to their job and to the patient. You can really just feel it throughout the building that everyone's here for a single purpose.
I am looking for somebody passionate, driven. They'll roll up your sleeves and get in the trenches with your coworkers, whatever it takes to get the therapy to our patients.
You know, a lot of our patients right now are in their last option for therapy, so being able to help them is just a really amazing feeling.
Just holding the patient's blood in my hand, I feel very humble knowing the fact that this particular product is going back into the patient.
Where else can you go where you can actually say you're changing medicine? Nowhere.